Milk frother, electric milk steamer with hot or cold functionality, automatic milk frother and warmer, silver stainless steel, foam maker for coffee, cappuccino, and macchiato, silver. Froth and heat milk, makes hot or cold milk froth for cappuccino or iced drinks, heats milk for latte and other hot drinks. Capacity, frothing 5.1 ounces 150 milliliters, heating 10.2 ounces 300 ml, heat up cold milk to 140 Fahrenheit, and recommend to use whole milk fat content 3% for better result. Fast, easy and silent, 2 simple press buttons to heat and make milk foam in 1 minute. Quiet operation when frothing, also easy to clean with free supplied brush. Safe and non-stick coating, cleanups are quick with a safe, non-stick interior that leaves no trace elements in your milk. Durable and smart design, made of high-quality stainless steel housing, and vacuum insulation helps contents maintain temperature. Also SAYESO milk frother with lift-off base, allow for comfortable serving since you can move it to any desired place after foam preparation. Guaranteed service, our close relationship with you does not end once our milk frothers are delivered, it is only just beginning. Our service team is available for 24/7, every day of the year, ready to assist you with any trouble that you may experience. With sincerity, responsibility and fast response as the service principle, SAYESO have and shall continue to provide reliable services to customers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.